Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You want to start by protecting the laptop and surrounding area. Place a towel under it and close any open ports. Next, warm the sticker gently with a hair dryer for about 30 to 45 seconds, keeping the dryer 2 to 3 inches away. This softens the adhesive. Once heated, use a plastic card to lift a corner slowly, so you avoid scratching. If a corner won't lift, reapply heat in short bursts until the edge starts to release. You should peel the sticker slowly, keeping the card at a low angle and pulling the sticker back over itself. That reduces stress on the surface. When sections tear, stop and reapply heat for 10 to 20 seconds, then lift the remaining pieces with the card. Patience prevents scratches. After the bulk is off, dampen a microfiber cloth with 70% isopropyl and rub in a circular motion to remove sticky residue. Make sure to ventilate and avoid soaking ports. You're in the home stretch. Wipe the area with a slightly damp microfiber cloth and isopropyl, then dry thoroughly to ensure no moisture remains near vents or seams. Once dry, inspect hinges, logo areas, and port edges for any leftover adhesive and repeat gentle heat and wiping if needed. If a spot resists, apply a small amount of dedicated adhesive remover on a cloth. Test an inconspicuous spot first. Finally, power up and confirm nothing rattles or sticks before regular use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.